Ymarfer y dydd, exercise of the day, codiadau puls i'r abdominau is. Pulse-ups for the lower abdominals. Da ni'n mynd i eistedd yn y llawr, we're just going to sit down on the floor. A wedyn gorfod y lawr. Again, lie down. Corff yn hir ag y syth, body is long and straight, sgwydda yn ôl. So body is straight and then roll the shoulders back. Da ni eisiau mynd ar dwylo o dan a breichiau dan y penol. We're going to take the hands underneath the bottom. Wedyn, da ni'n mynd i activatio'r core a codi'r coesau wrth ben y cluniau. We're going to activate the core and raise our legs up above the hips. So core engaged, activatio'r core, coesau fyny. A pan ydych chi barod, when you're ready, we're going to push the feet and legs up. Da ni'n codi'r coesau fyny pan ydych chi'n barod i fynd. Efo hynna, da ni'n mynd i trio cael 8 i 10 repetition o sets of 3. With that exercise, we're going to aim for about 8 to 10 repetitions in a set of 3. Dylech go, though. Give it a go.